kidding me?
No,
Get on the ground!
Do not fucking move, do not do shit. Put your hands down.
D12, step it up. I just got kicked.
Relax, do not. Just stay there. No, you're not. No, you're not. Stay right fucking here.
You, enough.
I didn't know you were here.
Doesn't fucking make a difference. What the fuck are you doing?
I got clocked in the face.
You stay there.
Okay, you need to calm down.
Put your hands behind your back right the fuck now. Put your hands behind your back and get against the fucking wall. Against the wall. Who else? The female. Taser deployed.
Was that the only one?
No, I have one on the ground there. He fucking kicked me in the face. He's fucking going.
All right, passing it too.
Can I get you?
Yeah. Over here. Still security announcement back Garrett?
Yeah, did I hit you?
No, I just doubled him.
Give me one additional.
Please! Please!
You okay?
Please!
No.
Please, sir!
He fucking kicked me. He's going.
All right, you okay?
No. You see I have him and you walk up and you fucking kick him and you hit me in the fucking face.
I'm sorry, man.
Save your fucking sorries for later.